He's on there? He took drag?
Fight like a dog.
Yeah, take your time. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. Take your time. He's almost there. Where you at? Oh, that's a nice one there. Nice blue. Go ahead, Dad. Huh? That's your biggest one yet, huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Give me some. There you go. He hit you hard?
Yeah, really hard. He was playing with it too.
Oh, we're gonna fillet him. Yeah. Grab him underneath both the fins.
Hey, stop.
Grab him underneath both his fins. Pick him up.
Like this?
Yeah. On both sides. Yeah, there you go. There you go, there. Good one, there. There you go, boy. That was fun, huh?